You don't know who Mr. Peace is, he's wonderful. The past 5 or 6 years that I know of, he's been to the school I work for twice. The first time was before I worked there, but my kids were there. And I remember my daughter coming home and being so excited. She loved it so much. And then he's been there once since I worked there, and so I got to see the message myself. And it is so inspirational and so awesome to see this message of peace and love given to the kids and how they can relate it to their everyday life. My message for you is that if you work in a school, or even if you're just a parent and you want to mention it to your principal or the admin, they should look into having him come, because it's wonderful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful that kids can be taught about peace and love, because unfortunately we don't see it a lot in this world we're living in. So if you don't know who he is, look into it or try to get that message to your school. You will not be disappointed.